A scam involving the collusion of law enforcement with illegal migrants has been uncovered in a fraud indictment. Federal authorities have charged several police chiefs and a marshal with allegedly taking hundreds of bribes over nearly a decade in exchange for filing false police reports for illegal immigrants. These officials allegedly used a loophole in the law that would permit non-citizens to apply for U visas. The U visa is a United States visa which is set aside for victims of crimes and their immediate family members who have suffered substantial mental or physical abuse while in the United States, if they are willing to assist law enforcement and government officials in the investigation or prosecution of the criminal activity. It permits such victims to enter or remain in the U.S. when they might not otherwise be able to do so. One of the advantages that comes with the acceptance of a U visa is the individual may have deportation protection, which is important when they are collaborating with law enforcement on a real investigation. According to this joint investigation with the FBI, ICE, and other law enforcement officials, these individuals were allegedly being paid to enforce the law, while accepting additional payments in the form of bribes from illegal immigrants. The false police reports would indicate that the immigrant was a victim of a crime, giving them the opportunity to qualify and apply for a so-called U visa. According to U.S. Attorney Alexander Van Hook, the police officials in the state of Louisiana were paid $5,000 for each name they provided falsified reports for, and there were allegedly hundreds of names over the years. A red flag occurred when there had been an unusual concentration of armed robberies of people who were not from Louisiana. According to the U.S. Attorney Van Hook, the armed robberies never took place. This investigation was a combined effort including the Department of Justice, the IRS, the FBI, ICE, and the Louisiana State Police.